Hiya folks, welcome to Ripley's Autos. Today I'm going to be doing a pollen filter on a Ford Fiesta 19 plate. I thought I'd just give you a quick show you where it is and that. So that was obviously the Fiesta we're doing. If you look at my thumbnail, I'll have a picture of it. So that's your part number here. It's your part number CU2436. That's a Ford, and the tools you're going to need for this is a Torx T20, a T30, either a ratchet or a little battery gun, or you can do it by hand, and also a little screwdriver just to pick little bits out. Now on this one, the pollen filters are located on the driver's side behind this panel here. I just stick that there and you can just watch me. So first of all, you need to pop out this bit of trim nicely. That's it. Pop that out. Then behind there is a T30 screw there. Put that out. Pull that out. You don't have to take your trim completely off. You can just bend it nicely out of the way. Just rest it there. And obviously it's held in with these screws. I had started taking it out and then I thought, oh, I could do a little video on it. So there is 4 screws holding it in. There, 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. To be fair, the top one's a little bit more awkward. Never that tight anyway. Sometimes you can undo them by hand. And obviously because this is quite a big socket, you can get a better grip on it. So you can undo them. I was going to say, I'm not posting a little video for a while, so I thought I'd better start making a couple more, as I've got a few more subscribers, which I'm excited about. So over the next week or two, I will be uploading a few videos. I've got a few trips that I've been on as well. And that's it then, so the 1, 2, 3, 4 screws out, pull this trim, just slots down nicely, and there's the pollen filter there. Put your finger in and just pull it out. And that's it, and then you'll just see, well, you've got the airflow there. Just make sure you put the next one in the right way around. So obviously, you've got your airflow coming into the cabin. You want that filters that way. Slip it up into there. Just slide it in. Like I say, just make sure it's all in. Always like to check down there, make sure it's slid in, which it has. Then obviously lift your trim back up and put it that way round. Making sure you locate everything back in. Push it nicely on. Obviously these are so nice and easy to do. You can definitely do these at home. Put these back in. To be fair, actually as well, I've got a good angle with the light and everything on this one. I mean, I'm impressed. Hopefully you can hear me. Just that top one, I don't know if I get the other one all started, make sure they're in. Oh. That one can be a bit awkward because you've got the heater matrix pipe just holding it. Oh, it's gone dark. Oh, I bet on my camera. So what you can do as well, a little trick is a little flat blade screwdriver, and you'll find sometimes you can just get into these Torx nicely. Oh, especially on a T20. Keep dropping them today. Probably sometimes it's easy if you've got an extension on. To be fair, because it's plastic on plastic as well, you need to do them up hand tight. That's it. to just use a screwdriver. That's it. That's it, all tight. Just check the tight by hand. To be fair, hand tight, that's more than tight enough for them. That's it. And just fold a bit of trim back. Make sure it's all clipped in nicely. Locate your T30. That's it. A couple of little daggers. Been more than tight enough. Oh God, I can't believe how good that clear that picture is on that one. Put your bit of trim back in. Put your tools back in your pocket so you don't forget them. That's it, get rid of the old pollen filter. And then what I always like to do is just jump in quickly. Start it up. Let it run for a second. Door shut, so the binging. Then I just like to go through all the options and make sure the fan speed, so you can make sure you've fitted it correctly. So your blower speed just lit up then. And that's it. Blower speed on full, no unsightly noises. Just check between hot and cold. Recirculate. Aircon's on and off. That's it. So that means that pollen filter's all been fitted correctly. And that's it. Thank you very much guys for watching this YouTube video on how to replace a pollen filter in a Ford Fiesta. Please like and subscribe if this video was useful in that, and hopefully I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks.